push back and I deserve my respect. If your wig gets split on some third eye shit, suspect niggas don't come outside. You might get your wig pushed back tonight.
I deserve my respect. Breaks don't matter if your wig gets split on some third eye shit. It's like only matrimony
.com/AK Flacco, nigga.
Just call it a strange shit.
/1. Oh, yo, NAWSTYELIAS. Not CLE.
Even on the vets, hold the 47 with a vest. That's a wise investment. All concept to try hide divine intentions like meditate when life has the lemons. It's time to eliminate. More side with a lemonade. Anyways, different days, different highs, different haze. Kama Sutra with Miss Mary Jane and the Kama Sutra. She a vibrant thing.
Suspect niggas don't come outside.
I seen him in a video doing this.
My respect. Brains don't matter if your wig gets split on some third eye shit. Suspect niggas don't come outside. You might get your wig pushed back.
I gotta get this footage, bro.
I deserve my respect. Brains don't matter if your wig gets split on some third eye shit. You niggas are suspect, and I'm just a rough neck. That wasn't making pencil tips when I would bust lead. I puff meds and leave chumps fed and punks dead. Her cunt wet, she getting rough sex on sunset. I like a chick with a butt. Yeah, it can get fucked. Keep my eye on the access too. Never tell them my bitches be loving it. Say not to put a glove on it. Some funny shit. You must have thought I wasn't done, miss. I feed lines to feed lines just to get it in your tummies quick.
Oh yeah, we back, boy. We cracking out here 2019. Oh no, that was
now the roses in my circle, they could tell the world to get around. Some niggas clowns, but some shit about. They used to doubt, now they see a sprout, and I'm out.
Big ass.
Niggas don't come outside. You might get your wig pushed back tonight, and I deserve my respect. Brains don't matter if your wig gets split on some third eye shit. Suspect niggas don't come outside. You might get your wig pushed back tonight.
Niggas deserve my respect. And brains don't matter if your wig gets split on some third eye shit. When I was 13, I was mad, rapping about the street. Now we still fighting the tips. Old homies talking shit. Say you got respect to my on that dime. Thought cause we was cool before, though we gon' take your ass on tour. Fuck nah. This my chance to get it. How you entitled to my shine? Nigga, you ain't help me get it. Now these niggas see me get the statements on my debit. My profile requested, but I never hit accept. Hit the sidewalk to the chest. I reflect when I was 14. Up late, eyes glued to the sampler screen. Eyes beam, you can make it better. Smoking on that Jack Era. Welcome to the suppressive era.
Turn off the camera, bro. Turn off the camera.
Respect. Brains don't matter if your wig gets split on some third eye shit. Suspect niggas don't come outside. You might get your wig pushed back tonight.
I deserve my respect, and brains don't matter. But tell me what really matters when you pissed off at the world like you got a crazy platter. And my mom said this shit don't come on silver platter. So I gathered my thoughts and made use of all these synonyms, cause I could never swallow the truth. Cinnamon, excuse me if I'm militant to sentiment in my hood.
It's like the 5th time today. It's all happening with it. Oh,
still seem to be singing, then I take that little simmer. We be giving them like half fours with fast forward. Let's get to the part where his records go forward.
yeah! Oh my god,
that shit. If it doesn't fit him, I need my own holiday. And by the way, I'm a possibly on Monopoly and all the dollars property, cause I won't live in poverty like
oh, fuck him up! I can't.
You might get your wig pushed back tonight, and I deserve my respect. Brains don't matter if your wig gets split on some third eye shit.
You like my acapella? Freestyle. Checking out freestyle right now. Hey, acapella song. Hey. I was walking down the Cypher, a rap site. I'm at the skate park with my bros. Canal. Oh, hey.
Yeah, my name's Kanavo. I got a beard. Yo.
Bring the siren with these bars I'm reciting. Cars with no license. Hard man.
Can't have that rap. Trap. God damn.
I'll be double in my spot. No easy out of purchase. Clear that with my hair back. You want a fair one? Catch a fair smack. Under by my price. Pray I ain't nothing on your ass.
Get your way pushed back tonight, and I deserve my respect. Brains don't matter if your wig gets split on some third eye shit. Suspect niggas don't come outside. You might get your wig pushed back tonight,
cause I deserve my respect. Brains don't matter if your wig gets split on some third eye shit. Who cuts flow? The deli can't touch this. Slipping like fishes, choking when you hit the cipher. And I ain't talking weed smoke, but I let the weed blow. Anything, just let the leaves know. Oh, suckers fuck around, get clapped. When you with that, niggas saying you crackin'. Fast breaker, nation, sexy lady. Taking on you, son. Niggas throw you out the scene.
He's repeating something.
No, he's actually struggling. You might get your wig pushed back tonight.
Yo, don't you take 8th grade math? Don't you take 8th grade math?
Oh shit! I said I deserve my respect. Brains don't matter if your wig gets split on some third eye shit. Never am I vexed, I'm always calm, cool, collect. Unless you disrespect, I wreck you verbally. So expect the worst from me, I deck you with my intellect. You just be circumspect, check. You're making all the wrong moves, so I intimidate you. I'm more infuriate you, cause I unite you. Who participated for the gore lovers, I decapitate with everything I say. Come sneak a peeking, tell me what you peeping. Struggle to say it ain't greatness that you see. It is what here sits in the midst of us. Yeah, quite mysterious. No, you're not delirious, I'm serious. It's clear to us as some still gonna see gold and platinum. Said it on the tarots before, so I know how it dissolves. You won't. I'm going more upside, I'm more on the cloud. Cause didn't you know by now I'm skyline bound. In my times now I don't blaze ground, I'm new in your town. So assume what you please, but you don't know me. But you don't know T.
Hurry up. Go through, fat nigga.
Get your wig pushed back tonight, and I deserve my respect. Brains don't matter if your wig gets split on some third eye shit. Suspect niggas don't come outside. You might get your wig pushed back tonight.
I said I deserve my respect. Brains don't matter if your wig gets split on some third eye shit.
Oh, and that's like
it's cause he flows like no other. Style smooth.
Yeah, dude. You gonna drink that? Yeah, that's a spit. I don't want
making real.
Oh my god.
They be that suspect for subjects for all the records. Set it for all the records. I spit in a split of seconds. So you can't reckon that I wasn't checking for beats unpleasant. I end up tracking. Hit your organs up for seconds. The bars that I can line up could probably bump the sign up. Define what nigga can judge. Rappers in my blood. So much my vocabulary's adapted a sanctuary. From the 5th of January, every punchline turned into crunch time. Was cutting records more than spitting dirty, the vocals recorded spit shine.
Suspect niggas don't come outside. You might get your wig pushed back tonight, and I deserve my respect. Brains don't matter if your wig gets split on some third eye shit. Suspect niggas don't come outside. You might get your wig pushed back.
And I deserve my respect. Brains don't matter if your wig gets split on some third eye shit. Y'all fuck the world, fucking dry. Tell them government spies, I won't cover my eyes. Won't cower, won't move, cause I don't move like a coward. Knowledge is power in the flower of like a sour. Maybe you can see the towers. Scour your dirty mind and maybe you unleash the power. We all got the protection in our body and soul. Probably you know I felt my life right through the bed, so started by the beating premium with pop retrieval. I hold the lead like them coppers or weasels to squeal. This one for my people. Headed to the top, no riddle. Thinking of evil, but see no evil just because I to me it's good. They just made me better. They told me cheese at the can, so they made me cheddar. And the green only made me clever. See, God made 3 bigs, 2 pots, but he only made one ever. The error.